So in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into Workspace at BCIT, get to the Ward desktop, and get your course directory set up. So first, I'll just log in with my banner ID. This is your first time logging in. You may not have any apps on your home page. So we can do apps and desktops. For my courses, every course is different, but for my courses, I'm going to be using a desktop, and the desktop I'm using is World According to Rob. And I'll get that started. So I've started the Ward desktop and I'm logging in, and this can take a few seconds as things get set up. So just be patient and wait until you can see the full desktop. So with the desktop up and settled down, I'm going to open up the File Explorer and I'm going to go out to GIST 7010, and I will run the GST 7010 makedir.bat. So I'll just run this, and what this will do is back on my Z drive, I should now have a var directory. You probably won't have these old 2018 and the workspace software directories, but you may have on your Z drive a var directory. Inside there GST, and inside there 7010, and then a folder structure for weekly labs, and then where we'll be storing desktop applications, web applications, or mobile applications. So this concludes this video.